This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Adrian Conway. No backyard neighbors and peace personified with the largest lot/model in the community, with a spacious two-story floor plan with plenty of room to add a pool. This 5-bed/4 full bath home has a dream gourmet kitchen with a double oven that has a convection oven feature and a separate cooktop with storage below. There is a separate 5x10 walk-in pantry. There are 42 inches cabinets with crown molding and a huge kitchen island that's perfect for holidays and celebrations. The enormous owner's suite features a beautifully upgraded ensuite bath with double vanities, tile shower, and separate spa garden tub. There is one other bedroom upstairs that also has its own ensuite bath with a shower. The first floor bedroom is perfect for guests with full bath access. The first floor has an open floor plan that's perfect for entertaining, while the second floor has a loft furniture stays, surrounded by the other 4 larger than average bedrooms, which is perfect for accommodating and entertaining guests. Out back, there is a 16x26 covered and screened lanai with another 14x16 uncovered patio area perfect for your fire pit and s'mores, all inside a 6 vinyl fence enclosure at the back of the property. A must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Adrian Conway at 813-619-1018.